The electrical grid is changing. The integration of renewable energies and the path to a more sustainable energy model make the power grid a dynamic process that requires elements and systems that allow agile and fast decision-making. Ingeteam has its own technology and manufacturing experience of more than 25 years and the support of a great team. We face the challenge that lies ahead. For network digitization, a wide range of protection and control equipment of high quality and proven reliability, powerful real-time data acquisition software for the management of all the substation parameters, analysis and operation tools focused on optimizing the work of engineers, and a complete team of developers and professionals with an international presence, offering a comprehensive service, always adapted to the client's needs, with the firm commitment to contribute to a more efficient and sustainable energy model.
Ingeteam, electrifying a sustainable future.